Listen to my heart go ride, 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 and ride, my heart go ride,
Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Christina Moore. If you're new here, welcome. If you're already subscribed, sis, thank you so much for rocking with me in yet another video. So today we are doing a nice, cute top knot bun. We are going to be adding a little bit of hair to kind of, you know, because I want to. All right, I don't got a specific reason. So I detangled my hair. It is dirty. So what you're going to need for this hairstyle, you're gonna need some gel or some styling products. I am using the Edge Booster styling gel that everybody hyped up on YouTube, and we'll save that for later. If you have thick hair, you're gonna need this is a headband, but we're gonna use it as a scrunchie. And also something that will help you is one of these scrunchies that has a hook on it, some synthetic hair, just a little bit. Clip that up. Okay. Just gonna clip this up, and then you're gonna do the same thing for back hair. And take a spray bottle. You're gonna go ahead and take your gel of choice, and not for nothing, I was so excited to use this, and so I don't really see the hype around this gel. I'm being honest. It smells amazing, but that's about it. Take your brush. So you're gonna take your big scrunchie here, double it up. So this is what you are left with here. Y'all know I love some baby hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take those out from now. What we're gonna do here is take out the back, spray the back a little bit, especially right up in there. I don't know about anyone else, but the middle of my head is the most difficult part. Same thing for the back. So what I'm gonna do, we're just gonna connect it to the ponytail like so, and just check to see where you want any part to look, you know, sleeker, neater. That's another thing. I find myself dipping into this gel like 50 million times. I don't have to do that with my Cara Cares gel. Okay. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this and just place it somewhere close to the ponytail. So I hooked it, and you're just gonna wrap it around. And now you're just gonna hook it. There you go. Now it's in a ponytail. Now we're talking, okay? Now what we're gonna do is take the hair, take it by the rubber band, and we're just gonna place it, okay? Place it. Please don't break. My nail just came off inside my hair. That's great. These are press-on nails, by the way, so it didn't hurt. So you already have your two pieces. For this part, please make sure you have one of these. You will see why in a second. If you have somebody else in the house with you, girl, have them help you. All right? You're gonna take your two sections. Take this section. I'm lying.
Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
You're gonna twist this up. Clip that together. I know it looks crazy. Like I said, don't judge me. Judge your dog and your cat. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna gather the first piece. Make sure you got your bobby pins in place. Take a little bit of gel. And now you're just gonna twist. Twist in, twist in. just combining the hair together. The rubber band is literally right here. So the hair moves. That's the reason why I had this clipped. So now you're just gonna wrap around. As you can see, this is moving. Wrap it, wrap it, wrap it around. And then you're just going to take a pin, pin it in place. Wow, you're gonna be whipping your hair back and forth. Add some more pins in. Take this off, and you have to hurry because we're using gel. And if you know anything about natural hair, is if you don't sleek her down, they will pop back up like an X. So more gel, same thing, opposite side. Unwind. Bong, bong, bong. Okay, so now I am going to wrap the bun this away. And now I'm going to secure it in the back. Just putting gel on it. Spray. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. The most important step is to tie it with a scarf. Alright loves, so let me know if you're going to be trying this hairstyle. What do you think about it? Let's chat down below in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.